Hello students of class 5th. Today we will do revision of chapter 1, how wisdom got out. So students, you have already read about this chapter. Now we will do exercise. First is write true for true and T for true and F for false statement. First, Anansi learned something new every day. Is it true? Yes. So Anansi learned something new every day. Second, Anansi wanted to share the wisdom with everyone. No, it is false. Third, Anansi climbed the tree in his first attempt. No, so it is false. His son had been hiding behind the bush. Yes, it is true. And fifth is Anansi threw the pot down to the ground. Yes, it is true. Next, grammar skills. Question A, fill in the blanks using appropriate articles. So students, do you know about articles? We have three types of articles: a, and, the. Okay, so a and an is always used with a singular countable noun which is referred to for the first time. Example, a dog, an owl. And the we use for a particular person. When we talk about a particular person or a thing, we use the, like the Ganga, the Ramayana. So first question is, Rakesh kept dash last seed in his mouth. So we will use the. Rakesh kept the last seed in his mouth. Second, a cold wind blew down from the snows. Third, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. We used all the three articles in the third. Fourth is, the Indian scientists are best in the world. And last, it took him about half an hour to walk home. Caution B, use suitable articles in the following sentence wherever is necessary. First, person is known by company he or she keeps. So we have to add a person is known by a company he or she keeps. Okay. Second question is, Ganga is most sacred river of Hindus. So we have to use the Ganga because we are talking about particular river. The Ganga is most sacred river of Hindus. Third, lazy people can never excel in life. So a lazy people can never excel in life. Fourth, honest man is always rewarded in his life. An honest man is always rewarded in his life. Fifth, Central Board of Secondary Education is most popular board of our country. So we will use the Central Board of Secondary Education is most popular board in the country. And last one is, elephant is walking on road. Then an elephant is walking on the road because an elephant is starting with vowel. So we will use an. Question number C on page number 11, match the following phrases with their meaning. So we have to match these phrases with their meaning. First is a piece of cake. So what is the meaning of a piece of cake? A task that is simple to complete. Okay. Second, back to square one. Then the meaning of this is to go back to the beginning. Third, beating around the bush. It means avoiding the main point. And fourth, cry wolf. It means lying. And fifth is Greek to me. Then something that is too difficult to understand. So you have to learn this chapter. If you face any problem, you can ask it to me. Thank you.